Alright, what's up guys? I am Tonsky and this is a digital art tutorial on blending. Yeah, because some of you guys asked me to make one last week. So yeah, that's what we're doing today, and I'm gonna teach you how I do blending. Because there are multiple ways to do it, but this is the way I do it, and I know this is the only way I know how to do it. So yeah, let's get started. What we're gonna do is we're gonna blend the red with the blue. So naturally we're gonna make purple. So here's what we're gonna do. Okay, get the brush. The easiest way to blend things is by using the soft brush or soft round brush, but when you're making an artwork, you sometimes have to use the hard brush rather than the soft brush when blending to get a better effect. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna lower the opacity here to about 20%. Let's get 20%, and then my pen pressure is off, which means you can do this blending even when you're using a mouse. So yeah, and then next is we're going to eyedrop a color. So I eyedropped red there, and then we're just gonna go in here and try to mix red and blue until this line doesn't exist anymore. So we're going in like this, eyedrop blue, we go in like this. Then we eyedrop the purple, we go in like this, eyedrop the purple, we go in like this. So we're gonna keep doing this until this line just disappears, actually, honestly. And slowly it is disappearing, slowly but surely, you know. Just keep eyedropping, and there, it's gone. Mostly gone. And now we can focus on blending these colors. So we have purple, red, and blue. The line, that hard line, is gone. We can have a good gradient here. So let's pick up that purple, eyedrop that, and then we'll push that onto the red here. And then we'll pick that red and we'll push that onto the purple. We want a gradual shift here. Pick this purple, push that onto the blue, like so. Push that onto the red. So it takes time, but the effect you get is really good. So it takes a lot of patience and time to actually blend something. Take the blue here, push that onto the purple, get that purple, push that onto the red, push that onto the blue, pick some red color, yep, I just checked if the brush was at the softest. Just push this color in like so, like so, like so, like so. Push that red onto the purple as well. Yeah, so it's just about how you balance pushing colors onto each other. Yeah. So we'll pick up some colors in between blue and purple here to make the gradient smoother. Same with this part. We'll pick up some colors between red and purple in order to make the gradient or blending smoother. So yeah, as you can see, we have a pretty nice gradient here. It goes from red here, goes from red to purple to blue. And yeah, I'm pretty satisfied with that. It looks good on my screen. I'm not sure if it looks good on yours. So that's how I do it. That's how I blend colors. You can do this method with the mouse as well. You just have to turn off pen pressure and, you know, lower the opacity. You could do it in, like, I usually use 20% opacity, but you could use 10, 50, you know, as long as it's not 100%. Yeah, that's how I blend colors, and I hope you guys learned something from this. And if you have other subjects you want me to make tutorials on, please do comment below. Please leave a like and subscribe, and thank you very much. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.